This exhibit took place in New York City at the Museum of Art and Design circa 2014. Sorry if these pictures from the exhibit are rather fuzzy. It was taken on a very old cell phone many years ago. The exhibit included artwork, architectural structures, furniture, even product designs, ID designs. That was a 3D printer type of device. And there was this interactive exhibit, and you could interact with it and change it as it's rotating, and you can define an object that could theoretically be 3D printed, but I'm not allowed to take video, so I had to only take pictures. And the guy that made that little boy character holding his hand up, I know him personally. So there are different pieces in this exhibit that I know some of the creators. Shortly you will see a dress. I know the creator of that dress, one of the two creators. I met him personally. This is an exhibit. That piece right there was built in the desert with a contraption that's pulled into the desert. It's a 3D printer that prints using sand and sunlight, focuses the sunlight to melt the sand. So again, here you see some different architectural, some that are kind of furniture, many of them just pure art. You can also stop the video to read the placards as to what the pieces were about. Sorry that one of them is sideways. Again, apologize for the fuzzy. Some of these furniture are really pretty wild. Not all of them are comfortable. Some of the lighting things were also really incredible, very useful, while other things were that's purely artistic. And I took close-ups. It's very exotic looking. And I don't know if that was built in one piece. So here's some furniture. And I showed this on this forum. They thought it looked like poop, but still kind of interesting. And there's another odd one. This one was cement. It's like a cement or concrete that gets poured, and the machine sort of semi-randomly pours it. And again, many of these things are essentially artistic. I think that's a type of a chair, yes. Some is jewelry. So hopefully, and that's the famous dress. I met Francis Batonti. I met him several times. That's me being funny in front of the dress. The dress was custom made for a woman who I believe works in like Vegas. So it's a real physical dress, and it's covered in these kind of gems. Now I don't know if the one there had the gems or they took it out. It was Swarovski crystals. There's some shoes. So yes, there's clothing, there's shoes, there's odd silverware, and here's this wild looking kind of vehicle. You actually put a drill into it. Maker of the drill is the designer. I love this chair. Fabulous chair. Those lights also really fabulous. So some of these are actual workable items, usable items. So I hope some people found this interesting.